morning. It's actually morning here, and it's a beautiful Friday morning. How are we doing? Hope we are fine and keeping safe. Today I want to talk about what breaks home that most women don't know. But before I do that, guys, before I shake this table, I want to really appreciate my old subscribers and my returning subscribers who always stop by to watch my video. Thank you guys, thank you. You guys are the best. And if you have not become a part of Unique Family, what are you waiting for? Come and be a part of Unique Family. Mama Unique Family, they are very sharp. This babe you see here is here to light up this house. Please come and be a part of Unique Family. On the notification bell, whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Like, comment and share my video. My topic today is what breaks home that most women don't know. I've really talked about this very topic. This is actually the second part of it. I've really talked about it in my previous video, and I'll put the link in the description box. And if you have not watched that very big video, please go and watch. I want to really emphasize on is comparison. Comparing your spouse with his fellow man. Men, they don't like it at all. Comparison, even as a fellow human being, we don't like being compared to another person. Not to talk of comparing your man with his fellow man. Men, they don't like it. And we women, we do that always. Not all the time, but we do it always. With just a little thing that happened between you and your spouse, or between you and your husband, you will start comparing him to Papa Emeka, start comparing him to Mama to Papa Nkechi. Men, they don't like it. Or you are in a gathering, and maybe one of your friends was telling you, my husband, he got me this, he got me that, he do this for me and that. And immediately you got home, you start making trouble. He bought this for his wife. He did this. He did that for his wife. Destiny's difference, Don't compare your man. Don't come back telling him that your friend husband did this or did that for her. Men, they don't like it. There's a saying that always say, cut your coat according to your size. But Papa Nkechi might be rich and your husband is on the average side. Be contented with what you have. Don't compare your husband to anybody. Don't compare your husband to any man. Don't compare your husband to anybody at all. Men, they don't like it. There's a better way to explain it to them. That's a better way to talk about it. That's a better way to handle it. Not by comparison. Not by comparing them to their fellow man. Men, they don't like it. This is one of the things they hate. And if he's the angry one, voila, he will forget his hand in your face. And when he does that, you will still start roving around your face. And they'll be singing Tinkle Tinkle Little Star for you. Men, they don't like it. Don't compare your man. Don't compare your spouse. Anybody you are in a relationship with, don't compare him with his fellow man. Men, they hate it. Be contented with what you have. Be satisfied with what he has given you. Tomorrow they said is pregnant. You don't know what tomorrow might bring for you. You don't know what tomorrow might bring for your family. So don't compare your man with his fellow man by telling him that your friend husband did this for her, did that. Look at this man. Is he not your friend? He has been doing this, he has been doing that. And you, what have you done all your life? You have not achieved anything. Abba, madam, don't do that. This is what I found out in my 10 years of marriage. Men hate comparison. Be compared to their fellow man. Don't do that. Don't lower his high esteem. Don't lower him. Don't bring him down. Don't rubbish him. Don't treat him as if he's a trash. that. He's doing the best he can. Appreciate him, love him, encourage him, pray for him. That is all you have to do. Don't compare him. Women, please don't do that. Don't compare your husband to any man, to his fellow man, to anybody. Be contented. Be satisfied. Always pray for him. Anything he gives you, be happy about it and believes that tomorrow will be better. Don't go having this thought of you don't have sense of belonging. You do. You are the one to give yourself that sense of belonging. Don't look at Nkechi is like this, that the husband is doing this, the husband is doing that, the husband is this, the husband is that. Be contented. And please don't compare your husband to anybody. Appreciate him. The little he's doing, appreciate him. And believe that tomorrow, what tomorrow will bring, will be better than what today has brought. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please, subscribe. If you want to be seeing me more, if you want to be seeing this Mama V, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. I'll be stopping this video here. See you in my next video. I love you.